KJ from Garden Advice, and I've got a great tip for you for your citrus trees. Right, so this is our yen bin lemon tree. As you can see, this is what the lemon tree leaves look like. Now you'll notice we have something here that does not look like a lemon leaf, and that's because it is the rootstock. This is a grafted lemon. You can see here, this is the graft at the bottom. You can see the mark of it. What they're grafted onto is it's a plant that grows really vigorously, but as you can see, has mean thorns, a different leaf, and doesn't actually fruit. So it's really important when you spot it, and if you can do it as soon as you see it, it's all the better for it. You just pick it off like that, okay? If you cut it, chances are it will grow back, all right? So again, just snap it off quickly and cleanly. That one got a little bit big from all the rain we had because I couldn't come out and do it. But the faster you do it, the better. The smaller the sprout, the easier it is to get rid of them. So really important, if you see something that does not look the same, that's the rootstock that has sprouted. So we need to get rid of that, because if that keeps growing, that will suck all the energy and all the juice out of the plant, and your citrus, your yen bin lemon, will fail to thrive. So unfortunately, the pesky whitefly have already moved in, so we will be dealing with those quick smart. At the first sign, it's the best time to deal with them.